Hello friends, today we will study passage of material through sliver lapper and ribbon lapper machine. Yesterday we have studied that there are two type of sequence of machines for preparing lap. One is sliver lapper, ribbon lapper, and another is a draw frame lap former. And today we will study the passage of material through sliver lapper machine. As we know that in sliver lapper, card slivers are fed to the machine and lap is delivered from the sliver lapper. So the first part is creel. So the broad sections of the machines are, number one is creel. So V-shaped creel, V-shaped table is there, which brings all slivers together in such a way that sliver converges to the required lap width. So in this case, suppose 24 card slivers are fed to the machine, which may be V-shape or of any other shape, which can accommodate such a large number of cans in a space-saving manner and for the convenience of the worker. And ultimately, a lap will be formed. There is a drafting arrangement also, 3 or 4 pair of drafting rollers. So drafting will ensure the straightening of the fibers, and the fibers will be aligned, and it will ensure that the fibers are parallel along the axis of the sliver. Then there will be a lap formation unit in which sheet of cotton is wound on spool with the help of 2 fluted lap rollers. So our object is to prepare the lap, and this machine is also having stop motions. So sliver stop motions are there in the creel, so that whenever a sliver is broken, the machine will stop, then the worker will come and do the piecing of the sliver and then again start the machine. There is full lap stop motion also, so that when the required length of the lap is prepared, then machine will stop, the worker will come, and after doffing it will again start the machine. So what are the specifications of the sliver lapper? Then objects of the machine are to produce a narrow lap of 250 mm width, and it may be a 300 mm for feeding combat directly also, although it is not generally done, but if it is, some people are doing. So if you are feeding to the combat directly, then 300 mm, otherwise 250 mm width for feeding to the ribbon lapper. Doubling 18 to 24 card slivers are fed to sliver lapper, and draft of 1.5 to 3 is applied. Lap weight 25 kg and speed is 65 to 100 meters per minute. So we may have different makes of machines, different brands, different companies. The specifications may vary, and the latest machines may run at a even higher speed, and the specifications may vary, but this is just one example. Next is ribbon lapper machine. As we know, on the ribbon lapper, what we are doing, we are feeding 6 laps, and these 6 laps are fed, and then the 6 sheets of lap. So there is a doubling of 6 laps, and drafting also. Draft of the order of 6. So 6 sheets of lap are superimposed over each other. That is web doubling, and this improves the evenness of the sheet. And drafting ensures the parallelization of the fibers, and these 6 webs are superimposed over each other. So we can say the objects of ribbon lapper is to draft the lap made on sliver lap machine so as to improve parallelization of fibers in lap. Second is to improve the uniformity of the lap by doubling. As we are doubling 6 laps, so it will improve the uniformity. Next is to calendar the sheet of material and wound them on to a bobbin so as to feed to the comber machine. Ultimately, we have to prepare a lap which can be fed to the comber machine. So passage of material through ribbon lapper. So first section is creel. In this, to unwind the lap and feed the lap without any stretch to the drafting roller. 2 positively driven fluted rollers are used to unwind the lap. The lap guides support the lap at the side. So in this case, we know that generally 6 laps are fed. So there is arrangement for feeding the 6 laps on the lap rollers, and which will ensure the smooth unwinding of the laps. There is drafting arrangement also. It may be 4/4 drafting system or any other drafting system. After drafting the lap, emerge in the form of web sheet. So drafting will increase the parallelization of the fiber, as well as we will get the sheet in web form. Then there is a curved guide plate. So it supports the web in between front drafting roller and table calendar roller. Web direction is changed over the plate, and this plate is chrome plated and smoothly polished. Then table calendar roller is there. So 5 pair of calendar rollers are arranged on smooth table at regular intervals to consolidate the superimposed webs, and bottom calendar roller is positively driven. Then lap formation section is there. Then sheet of cotton is finally wound on spool with the help of 2 fluted lap rollers, and lap is formed. And there are different types of stop motions in the ribbon lapper. It may be a stop motion in the creel, so that whenever there is a breakage in the creel lap sheet, then this machine will stop, worker will come and do the piecing, and then again start the machine. Again, full lap stop motion, so that whenever a required length of lap is wound on spool, then the machine will stop. So what are the specifications of the ribbon lapper machine? As we know, the objects of the machine's ribbon lapper is to produce a lap of 300 mm width for feeding comber directly. As we know, after feeding the 24 card slivers to the sliver lapper, lap will be prepared, and these kind of 6 laps will be fed to the ribbon lapper. And after a doubling of 6 laps and drafting of 6, then the finally lap prepared on the ribbon lapper will be fed to the comber directly. Width of the lap may be 300 mm or 250 mm as per our requirement, and width of the lap delivered is 300 mm. So width of the lap fed is 250 mm, whereas width of lap is 300 mm, which is delivered. So doubling of 6 laps is there, and draft of 6 is applied, and draft may be more or less also, more than 6 also. So these are just one example of the specifications. The actual parameters may vary to some extent. The lap weight is 20 kg. It may be 25 kg also. These days, higher weight laps are also used, but generally it is 20 kg on ribbon lapper. So lap sheet fineness is 50 to 75 grams per meter. So we can prepare laps and speed is 65 meters per minute. So with this, we have studied now what are the objects of sliver lapper machine, what are the passage of material through the sliver lap machine, and then in the same way, what are the objects of ribbon lapper, what are the passage of material through ribbon lapper, and then specifications of the ribbon lapper. With this, we finish our lecture and we will continue our discussion tomorrow with the lap former. Thank you.